Hi guys, it's Linda again. Here's another quick and easy recipe for you. This time it's for lunch and dinner. It's called the shaker salad. Really important thing is to use as many non-starch vegetables as possible. Love using the baby leaf spinach, different types of lettuce and greens, capsicums, some gorgeous cucumbers, tomatoes. You also do need to have some sort of carbohydrate, at least half a cup. I like using 4-bean mix or some corn. You also do need at least 100 to 200 grams of protein. Today I'm going to be using the tuna. Just be as creative as you can be. We're going to chop up our cucumbers, the capsicum. The most important thing though is getting yourself some Tupperware where you can shake this salad. That's the magic component. Add some of your tomatoes in there. Give it a little bit of a shake. Now I'm going to add the tuna, half a cup of beans, just for a little bit of carbohydrate. And then we're going to put some salads and some lettuce in there. Give it a nice hard shake. Now I'm going to add some balsamic vinegar and flaxseed oil. One more shake. And then it's done. I'm pretty confident that you're going to really like it.